believe I will assume starting today. As House spokesperson, I will be working closely with all of our media friends here sa House to give the official statements from the House leadership, give updates sa mga exciting times that we are looking forward here sa Congress in the next coming months.
Is this the first time na magkakaroon ng spokesperson ng House?
As far as I know, yes, na merong hiwalay na spokesperson for the House aside from the members of the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, ano yung nag-raise ng need for this?
Madami na kasi din tinatalakay ngayon ng mga issues ang Kongreso, the various committees. There's a need to strengthen the communication mula sa House to ensure yung tama at makatotohanang impormasyon ay naibababa natin sa mamamayan. Ayaw talaga natin ng fake news, no? Kaya kailangan mas maging maayos yung mga pagpapaliwanag natin ng mga polisiya na binabalangkas ng Kongreso.
Sino nag-tap sa inyo? Sino po nag-tap sa inyo, ma'am?
Well, I've been working with the House since my father was elected as congressman. I think I've worked with several of you when he was the minority leader, and even in his capacity now as chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, I have worked with a lot of our media friends, and also during my stint as the official spokesperson of Mayor Hani Lacuna, I've worked with many of our media friends who are also assigned here sa Congress. No? So recently, House leadership has asked me if I would be interested in joining the communications team to help deliver accurate, transparent, and truthful information for the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, is it Speaker Romualdez who tapped you?
I haven't spoken with the Speaker himself. I have spoken with the House leaderships in the communication.
Ma'am, of course, itong appointment mo sa spokesperson comes at a very high time na, of course, maraming binabato sa House of Representatives. Maraming criticisms regarding, of course, how are you going to approach this job, especially sa mga critics ng House of Representatives po?
What I intend to do is to just deliver truthful statements as much as possible, mas maintindihan hindi lang ng mga kaibigan natin sa media, kundi mga mamamayan din mismo, mahimay natin ang mga impormasyon na mas maiintindihan ng tao kung ano tong mga polisiya na sinusulong ng Kongreso at para saan at bakit nakakabuti to sa mamamayan at sa buong bansa.
Ma'am,
Coverage ng role nyo, 19th and 20th Congress.
Well, right now, I'm still working on the 19th Congress. As we end the 19th Congress, I'm looking forward to working with all of you as we transition to the 20th Congress.
Ma'am, are you going to be a more patolera kind of spokesperson? I mean, of course, ma'am, binabanatan sa House of Representatives. I mean, minsan below the belt, minsan.
Ayun lang, magiging patol ka ba? Tulad ni Attorney Claire na binabasag tong mga garapata dyan sa House of Representatives. Sige, pasok. Ano kayo sagot dito ni Attorney Princess?
Fake news. Tayo po ba maging parang patolera na spokesperson?
I don't understand yung patolera na spokesperson. I understand na we need to have an effective communicator, and that's what I intend to do with the help of all of you, of course.
Sir, ma'am, sorry. How will you communicate with us, House media? Are you going to hold regular press con?
We're working po on how we will schedule, if there's a need to conduct regular briefings. But I think a lot of you has worked with me, both sa Congress with Congressman Abante and Mayor Hani. You know how accessible I am, no? And I will try to answer your questions as soon as I have the information to answer them.
Covered nyo rin po yung impeachment trial.
Not necessarily the impeachment trial. I think, of course, as part of the House, we would have the general information of what will happen sa impeachment proceedings. But I think the day-to-day I believe that they will also have their own spokesperson or people that will be authorized to speak about the day-to-day and the details of the impeachment trial.
Yes, to be the spokes of Mayor Lacuna, paano po kayo nag-prepare para po dito sa mas malaki ating role niyo po sa spokes sa House?
Definitely being part of the City of Manila, its communication team has napakalaki ng sakop ng lungsod na Maynila at napakalaki ng trabaho na napagkatiwala kay Mayor Hani during her term. Napakalaking bagay yon to prepare me, especially in meeting all of our media friends and understanding how we need to communicate, not just to the media, but also to the public.
Where will your office be attached to? Will it be under the Speaker's office or will it be an independent and under the institution itself?
Right now, under the institution itself, no, we will still meet with the Secretary General to finalize all of the details of the official designation for my task.
Ma'am, are you going to have a deputy spokesperson sa additional staff po ba? O kayo lang po ba mag-isa magiging kaharap namin sa
Wala
media?
pa po akong information on that sa ngayon. Siguro po sa ngayon, kailangan masanay muna kayo sa akin araw-araw.
Ma'am, sorry, ibang matter na po. Nilabas po yung latest Pulse Station Survey. Mga registered voters saying 50% daw po ay against or tutol po doon sa filing ng impeachment complaint against VP Sara Duterte. How would this affect po yung ating, your reaction and how would this affect po ang ating preparations for the trial?
Siguro kung meron tayo natutunan ngayong eleksyon ay hindi naging tugma ang mga
Survey.
naging datos ng mga survey prior to elections. Yung sa
Agrees, hindi nga pumapasok si Bam Aquino tsaka si Kiko Pangilinan sa top 5, di ba? Pero lumabas sila sa top 5. Nakakapao!
actual na resulta, may mga nakita tayong consistent na nasa winning circle sa surveys all throughout the campaign period na hindi natin nakita nagtagumpay. Merong mga surprise victors na hindi rin na lumalabas sa mga surveys. So I would be very careful in reading too much right now on the surveys. We need to understand not just ano yung pakiramdam ng mamamayan ayon sa survey, pero mas kailangan bumaba tayo sa tao para mas maintindihan ano yung talagang totoong pangangailangan nila, hindi lang ayon sa mga samples ng data na nakukuha natin.
Ma'am, may we know who signed your appointment? Is it Speaker office or Section office?
I cannot answer that at the moment.
Ma'am, of course, last na lang po from my end. Kasi ang nagiging negative connotation po sa House is laging ayuda is being portrayed negatively sa social media. Kayo po ba, are you going to siguro explain pa po in layman's terms ang mga ayudang binibigay sa ating mga bayan? Kasi yun nga po yung nagiging negative.
Marami pa naman po tayong ibang mga polisiya, programa na sinusulong ng Kongreso. Isa lang yan, yung mga ayuda na tinitignan ng Kongreso. Madami tayong mga programa at policies, legislations on job creation, on alleviating poverty. Napakarami pa natin mga kailangan tutukan, tignan, at hindi lang po, lahat po yan ang gusto natin na mapaliwanag sa mamamayan. So we would try to communicate all of the programs as much as we can. And definitely, our friends in the media would help, no, so that we could make sure yung mga atensyon sa mga tamang polisiya at dapat na polisiya mapagtuunan ng pansin ay ang mapakita natin sa mamamayan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yun! Nako po, mga kabsat, mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng Attorney Claire 2.0 pero House of Representative version. May mga sasalo na sa mga bumabati ko sa House of Representative. Agoy, nako, malulungkot na naman mga garapata dyan. Nako po. Ito guys, gusto ko sana isingit to. ICC nandito sa bansa para palakasing dagdag kasong rape, torture, illegal detention laban kay Duterte. Pero bukas na to guys, no, kay VAD. Nako po. Ano kaya to? Bukas natin pag-usapan to. For the meantime, ito muna Mabsat, no. So, yan no Mabsat, pinag-usapan natin si Agimat na galit sa mga vloggers na nanira daw siya sa kanya kaya daw siya natalo dahil sa kanyang nilabas daw na disinformation daw kaya sinisisi niya itong mga taong to at kakasuhan daw, no. At itong si Harry Roque patuloy pa rin ang pagtatago at biglang nagulat tayo, 2 o 3 pala ang kanyang passport. Agoy! At syempre si Binoy, mga kabsat. Naku po, ano nangyari kay Binoy? West Philippine Sea, tapos biglang 35 nautical miles na lang ang lapit niya Siguro naman, mayroong chance pa pang kan. Hinarang sila daw. Hinarang daw o nagpaharang pa daw sila. Talaga naman number 1 senator natin. So, ayan mga kabsat. Pero syempre, kamustahin muna natin yung mga bagong pasok dyan. Baka magtampo kayo. Sir Lito Flores, may love shoutout. Ayan, no. Teka lang, tanggal natin yung screen. Ayan. Leia, okay na, Lito Flores vlog. Thank you po sa info. Ang alin, Ma'am Leia Corpus? Ano tinatanong niya? At siyempre si Madam Aurelia Adenya sa ating Facebook page. Guys, may Facebook page din tayo, guys, no? Baka naman, no? Baka naman. Maestro Paul TV, 541 likers, sabi ni Aurelia. Liki? Sa Facebook page? Parang imposible. Or baka dito sa kanyon, sa YouTube channel natin. So, pares po naka-live yan, Mabsat. So, again, maraming salamat, Mabsat, no? May hindi pa ako na-chap-chap na mga yung live ko kaninang umaga. Kaso tinecheck ko, hindi ko pa siya pwedeng ma-chap-chap Ewan ko, baka ngayon pwede na. So, try ko siyang ihabol ngayon. Mga badak 11 hanggang 12, ihabol ko. So, like mga Mabsat sa ating mga uploads, no? Kahit yun lang, hindi na kailangan panood, especially yung mga nandun na kanina. Pero pag hindi nyo pa napanood, kanina, yung live natin kanina umaga, hindi panoodin natin yung premiere natin. So again, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Nelly Aguilar, Lito Flores, Naomi Chin, Lynn Tomal, Rebecca Lagmay, LD Channel, Felma, Ma'am Maritel T, sino pa mga bagong pasok dyan? Jolly Requesto, Shoni Hes, Rayo Niconese, Rebecca Lagmay, Bridget Senda, Rick Sol, Sir Tony, yan, lagi yan si Sir Tony, kahit sa premiere ko, pumapasok yan. Di ba? Pati si Naomi Chin, pumapasok sila. Paul Fierro, Imelda Ignacio, may vlogs ako, Ophelia San, Auntie Babes, Imelda Ignacio, may vlogs, Ophelia, Rebecca, Bridget, Soul, at saka si Marlene Valencia, shout out, at sa lahat-lahat. Mabsat, pati yung mga garapata dyan, shoutout sa inyo, no? Buti nag-subscribe kayo. Kasi nag-subscribe po talaga kayo para makapag-comment. Ganun talaga kayo, no? Gina G, na pinapakita nyo lang kung gaano kayo kabobo. Di ba? Infinite Dream. Siya, Mabsat, again, thank you very much. Hanggang sa muli, kita-kits tayo sa ating next live stream. For the meantime, kalmo na tayo. All good na tayo. Mamaya mag-upload po ako ng ating mga pinutol na premieres. Salamat, Mabsat. Hanggang sa muli, kita-kits tayo sa ating. At syempre, maraming salamat. 97,400 na tayo! Biro mo, kanina, 96,800. Tapos ngayon, 97.4. Nadagdagan tayo ng 600 subscriber just for today alone. Maraming salamat, Mabsat. Thank you very much. Hanggang sa muli, Maestro Paul is signing off. Paalam, Mabsat. Bye-bye.